Hello, welcome to Fagilia TV where we fagilia everything. Kila kitu haiwezi kukupita, we sweep it all. Natumai kila mtu ako shwari, kila mtu ako seti, ako fiti kabisa kama kawaida tuko site. And today being the 1st of September babies, happy birthday and happy birthday to Willy Paul. As you all know, it's his 29th birthday today and he's the first one to open for us September birthday. And kama kawaida unajua kama ni birthday you usually expect good wishes from your loved ones and family, presents maybe, but hey, the one and only Ringtone Apoko. Instead of giving him a birthday present, giving Willy Paul a birthday present, maybe even good wishes, my goodness, anaenda kumwanika because of a sweater. Hey, you see, actually, apparently, according to Ringtone, Willy Paul had taken this certain sweater. It's a yellow sweater he had taken from him a few days ago, and he was supposed to return, but instead of returning, he went on a shoot with it. He took pictures with it and posted. And so Ringtone Apoko, yani tu alingoja tu leo ifike amtoanishe mwanze. So yetu ifika tu hivi hiyo birthday ya 29th birthday ya Willy Paul ndio hiyo ameangusha tu like akamtoanisha ati amrudishie sweta yake ama endelee kumchomea. So guys, what do you think about that? What's wrong with Ringtone? Ama did really ama sweta zinafanananga ama ni ukweli Willy Paul alimuibia? What do you think? Tupatane hapo kwa comment section vile naona.